Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through ProProfs LMS, one of the easiest learning management systems I've used. If you're looking to train your team, onboard new hires, or even teach customers, this platform's got you covered. Let's jump right in. So what exactly is ProProfs? It's a cloud-based LMS that lets you create courses, run quizzes, track progress, and automate training all from one place. Best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard. Everything is drag and drop, super intuitive. Getting started is simple. Just head over to ProProfs Training. Come and sign up for a free trial. Once you are in, you will land on the dashboard. And that is where the magic really happens. Here is the dashboard, your command center. On the left, your main navigation, courses, users, reports, settings. In the center, recent activity. Up top, quick stats on how your training is going. Clean, organized, exactly what you want. Now let us create a course. Click Courses, then Create New. ProProfs gives you two options. Use their AI Builder or build manually. The AI Builder is incredible. Just type a topic and it generates a whole course. Lessons, quizzes, everything takes about 2 minutes. Let me show you the AI tool up close. You type something like workplace safety training, hit generate, and boom, full course outline. You can tweak it, add your own content, or use it as is. This alone saves hours of work every single time. Do not want to build from scratch? No problem. ProProfs has a library of ready-made courses, compliance, HR, customer service, IT training. Professionally designed, fully customizable. Just pick one and assign it. Here's something really cool: gamification. Add brain games, crosswords, even hangman to your courses. Award badges and points to keep people motivated. And quizzes, super flexible. Multiple choice, fill-in-the-blank essays, you decide. Now for reports. This is where you see everything: who completed what, how long they took, where they are struggling. Export as PDF or Excel. Schedule auto reports to your email. Full visibility into your training. ProProfs works with your existing tools too. Salesforce, MailChimp, Zapier, you name it. Single sign-on, SCORM support, Tin-Can API. Fits right into your workflow. All right, let us talk pricing. ProProfs has a few tiers. The Essentials plan is great for small teams, core features at an affordable price. Premium unlocks advanced reports, gamification, and more storage. And Enterprise gives you custom branding and priority support. The best part, you can start with a free trial. No commitment. So that is ProProfs LMS in a nutshell. Easy to use, packed with features, and affordable. If you want to give it a shot, head over to ProProfs Training. Come and start your free trial. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.